Okay, guys, this is the Topps Platinum box break. Here's the seal. And, thank you guys for, or not, thank you guys for buying this. And go ahead and start. You have to bear a little bit with me. I got a cold. So, do the best I can. Okay, here's the first pack. Donald Driver. Oh, geez. First, pull, we have Andre Roberts, Arizona Cardinals. Set that over there. Charles Scott. Sean Canfield. Andre Johnson. Got D'Angelo Williams. Jay Cutler. No Sean Moreno. Rob Gronkowski. Checklist. Darrelle Revis. Vince Young. Ray Rice. Joe McKnight. Derek Morgan. Junk. DeMarcus Ware. Deshaun Jackson. Dwayne Bowe. And Desmond Briscoe. Jeremy Maclin. Aaron Rodgers. Clinton Portis. Anthony McCoy. Vincent Jackson. Reggie Wayne. Santonio Holmes. Rolando McClain. John Beeson. TJ Houshmandzadeh. Matt Ryan. Jimmy Clausen. Junk. Steve Smith. Phillip Rivers. Ryan Matthews. Terrell Owens. Oops, I'm sorry here. We got on the Ryan Matthews, we have the spiller right behind it. It was kind of stuck. And then Terrell Owens. Ray Lewis. Fred Jackson. Mark Sanchez. Taylor Price. Oh, and then Dexter McCluster right behind Taylor Price. Jason Campbell. Kenny Britt. Greg Jennings. Jonathan Dreyer. And Marty Edwards. Okay, we got Steve Slayton, Tony Gonzalez, Carlton Mitchell autograph, second hit. Not Carlton Mitchell right behind it. Tom Brady. Oops. You got Jonathan Velma, Hines Ward, Donovan McNabb. Oops, Donovan McNabb. And then Ben Tate. And then Toby Gerhart. Mike Sims Walker. Carson Palmer. Santana Moss. Desmond Briscoe Refractor, numbered to 999. And then Jonathan Crompton. Okay, you got Sean Green, Chad Ochocinco, Eric Decker, Mike Williams, Matt Forte. Ricky Williams, Beanie Wells, Steve Smith. Oops, we have a card line? No, okay. Dan the fourth, I don't know, rookie for the Bears, and then Eric Berry. James Harrison, Roddy White, Percy Harvin. Oops. No, not that. Marcus Easley and Jacoby Ford. Reggie Bush, Matthew Stafford. Whoa. Okay, printing plate. Andre Roberts, Arizona Cardinals. 1/1 autograph. People love Andre Roberts, apparently. Des Bryant and Michael Turner. Okay, you got Tony O'Brien, Matt Castle, Maurice Jones-Drew, Sam Bradford, and Joe Webb. Okay, you got Cedric Benson, Frank Gore, James Starks, Topps Platinum Refractor, Tim Tebow, and Anthony Dixon. You got Eli Manning, Lee Evans, Eric Berry, Tony Pike, and Riley Cooper. Pierre Thomas, Randy Moss, Michael Crabtree, James Starks, John Skelton, and Junk. Larry Fitzgerald, Josh Freeman, Jonathan Stewart, Demarius Thomas, Emmanuel Sanders. Eddie Royale, Wes Welker, Ed Reed, Montario Hardesty, and Jimmy Graham. Okay, down to our last pack. Drew Brees, Dan LeFavor, I don't know, butchered that one. Andre Roberts, and Earl Thomas, and Hakeem Nicks. Okay, so that wraps up our box break. Just to sum up the hits, we got Carlton Mitchell, Browns autograph. Got an Arizona Cardinals, Andre Roberts patch and autograph, numbered to 800. Then we got another Andre Roberts Cardinals printing plate autographed. And that's the end of our box break. Thank you for buying, and please check out the rest of our auctions. Thanks. Bye.